Welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, I have saved these boxes from the e-waste cage in the recycling center next to our cottage about few weeks ago. So, and this video can have title treasure or trash or treasure or other interesting title. Yes, my YouTube channel is about vintage audio. This is as you can see, not vintage, but the production of these boxes started mid 90s, around the year 1996. So now we have 2026, so they can be about 30 years old, and like by the cars, what is older than 30 years, we can say a little vintage. So I decided to take them and save them and to test them. They are totally dirty, incredible. But if I touch the cones of the speakers, it looks not bad. Yes, here I'm missing the front textile front grills and no labels, so I thought that they can be some Iva or some Philips from as a part of mini hi-fi system. I had to ask Google for the exact type, and this is the Philips, or these are the Philips FB356M speaker boxes. So we'll try the sound, and then you can write me, and after you watch this video, if you would like to save such a treasure, no treasure, such a lightweight and I must say they were really cheap speakers from the trash, or no, if you would like to put them anywhere in your weekend house, in your cottage, or no, see the wires, very thin wires, no terminals backside, and the only way how to go inside and watch the types of speakers is from the front. I will try to put down to remove this plastic front plate and try not to damage it. I don't know if it is removable or not. We'll see. But at first, let's try the sound. The not bad idea is to check the impedance if there is not some short circuit. 6 ohm. Let's check this one. The same. So maybe they are in working condition. We'll see. Up to now, nothing done with them. totally dirty. But we'll see. I have such a testing. I prepared here the cables with Wago clips. Left one connected, right one connected, and we'll see because the multimeter shows me something. The bass speakers, I believe that they will be okay. Question is if the tweeters are okay, but because the mini hi-fi systems have usually very weak amplifiers, I believe that also the tweeters will be in okay condition. We'll see. CD pair switched on. Amplifier, I receive very often questions which type of amplifier I use, so I have here under the table real professional US amplifier from 80s. This is the QSC 400, 200 watts per channel, real power, pretty nice amplifier. I'm not sure if you can see it now. Mixer.
Always down, ready to ride.
I have changed the cables, I think. So okay, now it is connected. I've disconnected the cable from my mixer a few days ago, and it was to the left and sounds right, right and sounds left. So now it's okay. Left channel, right channel, stereo. Let's try some bass track. This is the motorbike from the YouTube library, only regarding the copyright. So, dear friends, what do you think about the sound from the trash, free and saved from recycling? Is it worth to save them or not? I think yes, because the sound for such a small lightweight speakers is not so bad. No high end, but let's try to open them. We'll see if it is possible or no. Yes, it looks that it will be possible, maybe, without any damage. I put the camera closer that you can see it better.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down.
Oh, label from the bottom.
Always down and ready to ride.
So as you could see, it is possible, I think, without any damage. But important thing from the bottom is label. Speaker system FB356M. So Mr. Google gave me a right answer. Impedance 6 ohms. Okay, it fits. Made in Hungary. Hungarian speakers. So I'm surprised that it was produced in Hungary, because I thought that it was produced anywhere on the Far East. So Hungarian speakers. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so the front panel only. I thought that the speakers will be mounted on the front panel, so not true. Let's see the type of speaker. Okay. So no producer name. I will take the camera and make a detailed footage that you can see it better.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
So, dear friends, how do you like it? I try to watch inside if there is some crossover, but I see and I feel nothing inside. No crossover, so no damping material, very simple simple production, but the sound for such a cheap boxes, I can say, acceptable. So dear friends, how do you like them? Would you like to would you save them as I did, or no, if you will let them in the e-waste cage in the recycling center, or no? So once more, sorry that it's not a real vintage audio, but I have such a testing of old speakers, so about 30 years old. So once more, thank you for watching, for subscribing my YouTube channel, and if you like my videos, or I usually say in our videos, because usually it's Kaya, our cockatiel lady, sitting here on my shoulder, but she has holidays on our cottage now, so I'm here without Kaya. So if you like our videos and if you would like to support our channel, you can also join our channel. So have a nice day.